Hey guys, welcome back. I finished it. The 1907 Renault by Revell, the Highway Pioneers version, which was a buddy build for me and Mark Batson, and also it was kind of a small scale group build, but I didn't finish it on time anyway, but anyway. Yeah, so I got it done, and I think it turned out pretty cool. He even got a little guy driving it. We won't get too close to him because he looks a little deformed in the face with my paint job on him, but anyway, it's like he may have been in a bad accident or something. But anyway, so yeah, pretty fun, pretty simple, but yeah, they were done with it. So here we go. I did do the wood wheels instead of the body color wheels. Just thought the wood would look a little bit more antique-ish. So there it is, with the little guy in the driver's seat. Tell you a little bit about it. So I painted, if you saw the video, the first video, or the I don't know if there's been one or two, but anyway, I painted with Mieux paints. I used chrome and then candy yellow over it for the brass effect. My chrome wasn't shiny enough, so I didn't get the real bright chrome. But if your chrome is laid down a lot better, you'll get a nice shiny brass once you put that candy yellow over it. But I think it turned out pretty cool. I got like the hood, knock it off of here, the little hood pipe or whatever, it's brass. I just taped it off and painted it. It turned out pretty good. So hubcaps are brass, and obviously. But I wanted to go with the wood grain wheels. Headlights. So this doesn't come with headlight lenses. But if you can notice, I got lenses. If you can kind of see that. Let's see if I can get maybe a little reflection. There you go. See the reflection? So I just used clear resin, pour it in there, and let it stand on its end. And you get a nice little lens that's crystal clear. So I did that. Yeah, I mean, not a whole lot to say. Did use the MCW texture paint for the roof. See if I can get it focus in on it. There you go. See the texture paint? That stuff worked pretty cool. So that's a lacquer. You just spray it on there, and it just kind of beads up, makes a textured surface. I think it looks really cool. So I did that. But yeah, the interior, the back seat, if you can, so we can get down in there and see it. Probably not. Let me see if I can get into focus. There, you kind of see it's a leather color. It not like the poor guy up front. His is just black. I tried to, and this is actually intentional. If you'll notice, the seat has somewhat of a textured look. I just took, and when I was painting it, I just kept dragging the brush, and it started having a nice, oh man, it's hard to see. Let me see if I can get some light on it. Gave it ain't no way. Anyway, can't hardly see it, but it's got this, almost looks like it's been set on a whole lot, right? And there's little dude right there. He's in there a little sideways. I gotta straighten him up. He's only held in by his hands. Look at that. It's not a smile, it's a mustache. But yeah, he's just kind of sitting in there, but his hands have little holes in it, so they lock into the steering wheel, and the steering wheel's glued on. So that's the only way. Yeah, he's in there. But it was pretty fun. I thought it was cool. I've always wanted to, well, since I've started collecting these, I've wanted to build one, and I had several of these Renault kits. And if it will focus, let's do it. There we go. And Mark mentioned building this one, and I thought that'd be fun. Let's do it. So we got it. So I'll put it on the shelf now. You do have to cut the windows. It does come with window glass, but it's just a sheet of clear plastic, so you have to cut them out to fit the windows and put them in there. Not hard at all. But yeah, fun. So I got that little guy finished. Thanks to Mark for recommending us do this. It was fun, and I can't wait to see his. I haven't seen his video. If he has put it out, I hadn't seen it, but I can't wait to see his. He's Mark Batson is the man when it comes to building model cars, and I can't compete with that, but I can have fun. So that's what I did here. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate you. You're a wonderful community. I did blackwash the radiator a little bit too. You see the radiator's right there behind the hood. Weird, but yeah, that's the radiator. And get some text messages, but that's the build. The 1907 Renault limousine. And yeah, pretty cool. And this is obviously this is still an original kit. I used the Minicraft, I think it was, version, which is the same thing. It's just boxed different, but I'd like to build the little 1915 Model T. I don't know if I have that one in styrene. I've got it in the that acetate material that warps up really bad, and they're no good, but I'd like to build that one, but I don't think I've got one in styrene. I think I've got the Stutz. Don't think I got the Rolls Royce. Got the Mercedes. And anyway, that's about it. But I will have some pictures at the end of this video, so we can get a little closer and have some better lighting and get some better photos. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you. Hey, as always, don't forget to go check out hobbynutmodels.com. Every stitch of paint on this thing came from there. Go over there and check out Mark's inventory. Grab yourself a model kit or some supplies, whatever you need. hobbynutmodels.com, always in the description of my videos, as well as my website, mcvproducts.net. Had a real good time at the Roanoke show. Very successful day. Glad my son Joseph went to help. He pretty much ran the table for me all day. I relieved him several times, but he was doing great, and we just had a good time, and met so many of you guys. Anyway, thanks for your support over there. mcvproducts.net if you want to go visit the website. Plan on going to some more shows and taking all the stuff with us. Maybe Miss Heather this time will be with me, and yeah, it'll be good. But anyway, thank you for all you do. I appreciate you, and don't forget, I'm going to show some pictures. So you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys.